What's for breakfast?
We have eggs and toast.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Can you help me with my homework?
Sure, what do you need help with?
Have you walked the dog yet?
Yes, I walked the dog this morning.
Where are my keys?
They're on the kitchen counter.
What's the plan for dinner?
We're having pasta tonight.
Did you do the laundry?
Yes, it's in the dryer now.
Can you set the table?
Of course, I'll do it now.
Did you take out the trash?
No, I'll do it right away.
What time will you be home?
I'll be home around 6 p.m.
Did you call Grandma today?
Yes, I called her this afternoon.
Can you pass me the salt?
Here you go.
Have you finished your chores?
Yes, I finished them all.
Did you feed the cat?
Yes, the cat has been fed.
Can you help me with dinner?
Sure, what do you need me to do?
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Have you done your homework?
Yes, I finished it already.
Can you take out the recycling?
Yes, I'll do it now.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I watered them this morning.
Are you going to the gym today?
Yes, I'm going this evening.
Have you seen my phone?
It's charging on your desk.
Did you remember to pay the bills?
Yes, I paid them yesterday.
Can you turn off the lights?
Sure, I'll turn them off.
What do you want for lunch?
How about a salad?
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and fruit.
Where do you go on weekends?
I usually go to the park.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to paint.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook every day.
Where do you usually shop for groceries?
I shop at the local supermarket.
How do you stay healthy?
I eat well and exercise regularly.
What shows do you watch on TV?
I watch comedy shows.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Where do you spend your holidays?
I spend my holidays at the beach.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit them once a month.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Where do you study?
I study at the local university.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually relax at home.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking a lot.
What kind of books do you read?
I read mystery novels.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use it daily.
How do you stay fit?
I run every morning.
What do you do on your days off?
I usually go hiking.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend.
Do you volunteer?
Yes, I volunteer at a local shelter.
How do you relax after work?
I read a book.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym every evening.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you follow the news?
Yes, I follow the news online.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love to dance.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I have a party with my friends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you go to concerts?
Yes, I go to concerts occasionally.
How do you commute to work?
I ride my bike.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Where do you exercise?
I exercise at the gym.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house every week.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
How do you spend your evening?
I usually watch TV.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
How often do you call your parents?
I call them every day.
Do you enjoy working out?
Yes, I enjoy working out.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you meditate?
Yes, I meditate every morning.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I love baking.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you write a journal?
Yes, I write a journal every night.
How often do you eat out?
I eat out once a week.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a sister.
How do you keep in touch with friends?
I text them regularly.
Do you watch sports?
Yes, I watch football.
Do you like to camp?
Yes, I enjoy camping.
How do you organize your time?
I use a planner.
Do you like to fish?
Yes, I like fishing.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
How do you handle stress?
I do yoga.
Do you like board games?
Yes, I enjoy playing board games.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
Do you read books often?
Yes, I read every day.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you speak any other language?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Where do you like to eat out?
I like to eat out at Italian restaurants.
Do you follow the news?
Yes, I follow the news online.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games sometimes.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading a lot.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
How do you usually get to school?
I walk to school.
Do you like to sew?
Yes, I enjoy sewing.
What kind of art do you like?
I like modern art.
Do you have a green thumb?
Yes, I love gardening.
How often do you eat fast food?
I eat fast food once a month.